Okay, I'm back again here with me, Hendra, and this is the part 3 of my DIY Arduboy build project. So, I'm sorry for my previous video, it's just gotten too long, half-hour video. So, I'll do things, so for now I'm doing things in advance. I'm soldering the button first, which is actually all of it are the same. I left one button to show you how to unsolder, to show you how you put the buttons and solder it to the board. So as you can see, I've already soldered all the buttons except this one. So now you pull out the micro 6x6 millimeter switch and put it in the board like this. Hopefully it fits. It fits like this. Okay. Make sure it's aligned perfectly. I can't get in focus. Okay. Make sure it's aligned, and then you solder the buttons. Just a bit, same as before. Make sure there are no bridging between pins. Just a little bit. Like so. And we're good. Yep, we are good to go.